Manifesting. There you go. And I'm playing nothing here. Guys,
Favorite color niya.
yan. Bilihan mo. Guys, ang mumura dito. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Lalo na yung mga accessories doon. But first, kailangan namin maghanap ng mga sarong para i-partner namin doon. How about this one? How much is this? Ay, walang price. So libre. Charot. 210 outs. Imagine, less than 100 pesos lang to. Oh my god. This is only 30 pesos. Kung nasa El Nido ka, 350 na to or 600 even. Oh my gosh. Tapos ito, nasan to? Ito, 45 pesos lang. Ayan o, ang ganda. Guys, iniisip ko kung bagay ba to. Ha?
Then kay
Magkano?
Pamilya James. 25
Okay. Check ko later. Pero anyway, bagay ba tong necklace?
Ngayon?
Oo. Or no?
Ilang yung 15 ngayon?
Girl, if you know me, you know that I like collecting unique bags. And this right here is heaven for me, honey. Oh my god, this is so cute and it's only 44,000. So that's around 200 pesos. I'm buying this one. Ito naman, take 23 pesos, Philippine money. They are nice na ha, not bad. So kumbaga 4 for 100. Ayan. I'm gonna show you something. Look at this, guys. This one is cute. And also this one. Size 42 ako here. This is less than 100 pesos. Let's try it.
Nakawala sa dato yung kaya ito? 3? 430. Itong 3 pala kitang limpuyang, ito na maglimpuyang doon.
Oh, dyan siya. Ganda, gandahan. I love it. We are done taking pictures. Nicole, wish you were here, huh? Wala tuloy siyang pang day 1. Day 1 pa naman. Meron pa. Let's go to the next. May daan ba?
First lot yung tayo. Action time. Ay, oh.
This is Olondani. Hi. Oh, kakabahan si Ariana Grande sa quick change na yan eh. Ano na? Gutom ka ba?
Hindi. So, ako makapisa.
So, ano gawan para...
Pamaran niyo ko.
Ay, oh! Ganda guys. Sobra.
Natsura yata yung mga tabi ako. Na.
Ay, cute yan.
Kulay na yung kahit.
Bakit?
Alam mo.
Breakfast view. Super nice. Here? Ay. Or here. Ay, dito na lang. 11. Ganda guys. Grabe. Ito? Yan.
Yummy. Gatukad.
But you
Guys, next stop is Bali Farm. Para siyang Baguio. It reminds me so much of Baguio. We're done with our purification ritual and it lasted for about an hour. How was your experience? Rate from 1 to 10. True. It's actually even 12, honey. Cheers. Ganda. Talagang mapipurify ka ma. Anyway, nandito kami. We are waiting for our free drink. We chose the herbal tea. Sleeping Beauty. Rise and shine. Ay, oh, ayaw niya. Jasmine.
Luya. We have a three kind of the luya. We have a red ginger. Yeah. They blend it, they put honey and salt. They drink it.
Shampoo.
Does it smell?
Oh, what do you mean?
What does it smell?
Oh no, this is like a liquid.
Ah,
Yeah, like tonic. Yeah. Now we can do with the machine. Yeah. When we could do like this manual way, that's not the good the quality. Maybe burn, dark, or medium, something like that.
Okay.
Too hard work to make a coffee, to luwak coffee. So yeah.
This is Arabica, guys. Wow.
When they have the
This is our beautiful coffee tasting. Oh.
5 kind of coffee hot, 5 kind of the tea cold, and this one hot chocolate. Hot chocolate without anything.
Okay.
Okay, here you get the Arabica, Robusta, ginseng, vanilla, avocado that we already combined with the creamer.
Okay.
And here you get lemongrass tea, ginger tea, mangosteen, rosal, and turmeric.
Ay, ang bigat ha.
Working hard.
Pangit ko naman. Ako rin, ang pangit ko na. Inis. Pasensya,
Bukas
pero...
mahalago na kayo, Kenzie.
Ayan.
Sinabi ko naman kasi kaya kayo.
This one is ginger tea.
Para sa
Parang-
lalamunan.
Parang hindi ko magugustuhan to.
Hindi, para ano yan, te? Magpaganda ng boses.
Kakayanan mo na yung ng din.
Ginger.
Masakit sa dila.
Oo, actually.
Nangangati yung dila ko sa kanya, te.
Next is turmeric. I'm not gonna try that one.
Hindi, alala ko yung dati.
Kasi may sugar eh. Ay, ano?
Naiya pa yata, halo tayo.
Oo. Ay, oo.
Seg kakay. Dapat dito.
brother. What's that?
So this is what I like the most among the coffees that we tried. And then my sister will get the avocado one.
Tastes like
And for the tea, we're getting this one and mangosteen.
milk almond. You can share in here. Pulse.
Let's see.
This
Yan, paalis na kami. Papuntang Ubud Central. Hindi, maputi lang yung powder ko. Nasa ubod tayo, mama lamang. Guys, di ka man maka-homesick sa mga makikita mong tao dito. Kahulma na kahulma ng mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pinas. Oh, wala pang 5 minutes naglalakad, magtitingin na agad. Ito yung binili ko, oh. Magkano kaya ito dito? Ay, walang price. Oo nga, no? Ang agenda namin, makahanap ng dress. Ang nabili namin, ano?
Bucket para kay Ace.
Yun pa lang ba? Ito, maganda rin here.
Kaya tayo pa na. Kapansin ta kasi yan.
Yes, of course. Ay, oo. Ano to? Ay, mabalo. We also have this one. Para sa ano ko, girl?
Kailan niya lagay itong bottle?
BNI. Nandito kami. Ano kaya pwedeng kainin na wala sa Pilipinas? Oh, okay. A store? I don't know that. Ano yan?
Ka Filipino. Pare pa kaya.
Name in Philippines,
Usual name?
the popular name.
Marie.
Maria.
Joy.
Maria.
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 Joy. Yeah.
Many Christian in Philippines.
Oh yeah, Christine. Her name is Christine.
Christian. Hindu? No.
No, Kristen.
In Philippines, Hindu
Small population.
such a small
Catholic.
Catholic. Many Catholic.
Yes. Oh,
Sweet. You have this in Philippines, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
More again.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
I will, ano English ka lang? Plant.
Sala.
I will plant this in the Philippines.
Oh, yeah.
In our backyard.
Yeah. Keep it
I
okay.
will-
Yeah.
Kauwi lang namin and we're going to show you everything we got tonight. So first is nag-snacks kami sa Family Mart para magpatila ng ulan. We got outside milk, yung maliit. Tsaka, ano ito? Coco Crunch. And then, bumili kami parang 3 uri ng grocery stores or like supermarket stalls or stores yung pinuntahan namin para dito. So, bigay mo yung isa kay Ate Lai para makapag-charge na siya. Yung sa Family Mart, guys, 70,000, no? Or 85,000. Tapos dito naman, 17. 17, same lang. Like, the heck. I also got contact lens solution. And then, Telenme set. Malan.
Kwento may bago ka na yung
Ganito. So,
How
I
much?
asked, how much is this? Is this set? Sabi, 350,000. Oh, so expensive. Minatras na ako mga yan. Tapos, bigla, okay, tell me. Binigay sa akin yung calculator. How much? Tell me how much. Ano mga yan. So, we can negotiate daw. Sabi ko, 80,000. So, sabi niya, cannot be, that's too low. Tapos bigla, okay, we'll just look for others na lang. Siyempre yung line. Tapos, pipilit na ako, no, 120 naman yan. Tapos, no, 100. Okay, 85. Tapos, binigay niya 85. Like, what the freak? Pero that's still around 300, no?
Apoy niyo
Pati to, ganun. Pakita mo nga yung sayo. Bumili kami ng matching dresses ni Nicole.
Same design, pero hindi same print.
Oo. Para dun sa tree house. Cutie Pirate. Sana pull off tayo ni ma.
Tayo ba nila? Try ko siya.
Try nga natin.
Aray, masik talaga live.
So anyway, moving on. She got that one for her boyfriend.
My boyfriend.
And then, bumili si Nicole ng
Para kay AC.
kay AC, ref magnet. May nakita rin akong magandang tawag dito, bag. Kaso mahal, girl. 300. Tapos nung paalis na kami, sinasabi na naman, okay, 250. Hey,
100
kapag
ako.
talaga alam nilang turista ka, no? Kayo
Hindi,
talaga.
abyasan mo tayo eh.
But
Uy, mention mo
anyway,
sa mga story mo, Lila Jane Kulala.
this is our breakfast. Tapos, ito yung view ng pool. Hindi man kami nakapag-swimming, pero it's okay. Kasi pinahinga lang namin yung day 1. So, it's fine. Let's eat. So, ito yung hotel namin, guys. Ayan. It's okay. Goodbye, Ubud.
Yung kaya kayong bridging ka.
Ayan, guys, oh. Yellow.
Primary color, tamo rin pala.
Oh my God.
She was a fairy.
I got the Caesar salad with the dressing on the side. She got chicken burger. Huh?
Chicken burger.
And then this was
Tom yum.
okay. What's yours, Kuya? Marinara. Yeah.
Do you like pasta a lot, kuya?
Let's try it. Okay naman. Buttery lang yung ano nila, dressing. Pero lasang Caesar salad naman.
Yung mong guy, sulit yung 99.
Fries of Nicole.
Excuse me? For your meal?
I like the Caesar salad. Thank
Do you
you.
have leche plan? So do you have Mang Inasal here?
Chicken enough. Lino ba arong kubeng? Hi, I just finished taking drone shots and clips and now I'm waiting kasi si Ate Lai na yung nakasalang. And supposedly, our original plan was to go to Kretya. However, fully booked sila and laging crowded. Kaya nag-search nag-recommend si Kuya Jed, which is our tour guide or like the driver for our whole stay here in Bali. And they-recommend niya yung, what do you call this? This one, the Tukad. Yes, I think that's the name. So now, the pool is all ours. Wala kami kahati, which is really nice if you were to ask me. And hindi kami magsiswim kasi super init. Like, anyway, bye-bye. This is my outfit. Ay, oh.